We're following a county sheriff through the sandstorm, and he said to stay about this far away from him because otherwise we won't be able to see him. You can just barely see the officer's lights. That's the guy guiding us through the sandstorm. Car's totally covered. You can barely see him. And the sandstorm adventure continues. How fast are we going, honey? 5 miles an hour. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but you wouldn't know it. May not be able to see it out the window, but the rest of the landscape looks almost like the moon. Our whole car is now covered in dirt, which is mixed with the rainwater, and we're now a nice shade of mud, I'm sure.
Probably not even safe for him to drive.
Well, I think it's part of his job today to escort us and others. It's amazing to see it blow through here. Oh, don't listen. There he is. Oh, it's so dark.